visit to the nursery. See what I got. We gardeners cannot stop purchasing plants when we see beautiful decorative, especially the house plants. As a house plants lover, I picked up these syngonium plants. Look at these. The leaves are so beautiful. Not only that, they were in small planters. So I brought these two syngonium varieties and this sansevieria variegated one. These syngonium plants are called as the podophyllum. So I've come to know it through Google. So friends, this is a shade loving plant and I got it for 150 rupees with the planter. So this is a shade loving permanent plant and also a low maintenance plant. This one also 150 rupees at the nursery. So I couldn't find it anywhere else. So once I saw it, I purchased it. This plant was a little bit expensive. It was 300 rupees and I got it with the planter. So these three new friends now I have in my garden. I would love to keep this indoors as an indoor plant because it's so decorative and very pretty, and this is also the same. So if you are a person who loves decorative plants, decorative house plants, when you go to a nursery, once in a while bring them and keep them in the shade. So do not go to overwater these syngonium varieties. Check the soil and water and do not keep them in the bright direct sunlight area. Especially friends, when you bring a plant from a nursery, make sure to keep them in as it is. Keep them as it is in the pots. Do not go to repot or do not go to expose them to the bright light area. Let them settle in your garden or in your home or wherever you have kept it. Keep it as it is for a couple of days, at least for 2 to 3 days, so that the plants will gradually get used to your garden and also to the weather. So these are the new plants that I have brought, and I will do another video with you all how to care for them. At the moment I'm going to keep it under my Erica palm plant where it will get the shade. Especially these sansevieria snake plants doesn't like bright light. I have here some small white stones as well, which you can easily get from aquarium. So that is the sansevieria plant, and here I'm going to keep this syngonium under my Chinese money tree plant so that it will also get shade until such time until I give it a permanent place. And also I'm going to keep this variety under the rubber plant. So let them to get used to my garden and the weather first, and after that I do repotting or else shift them to some other location.